Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to hard reset Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. If you have forgotten the pattern or pin lock, then you need to hard reset your phone, and there could be many reasons you are selling or giving away your phone. So to hard reset your phone. Now remember that hard resetting your phone will also wipe data and factory reset your phone. So make sure if you have important data, then you need to back up your phone, and if you have forgotten your passcode or pin lock, then there is no way to back up, so your data will be deleted. Now you need to power up your phone. There are three ways to power up your phone. One is ask Google Assistant to power up my phone, and it will give you the power keys to power off or restart your phone. You can also hold the power plus volume up keys together, as you can see, or you can drag down the notification tray, and here is the power button. So use whatever is convenient for you. Now I will power up my phone. Now when phone is turned up, you need to hold the power plus volume down key. When you hold these two keys, it will boot your phone into fast boot mode. As you can see, the phone is now in the fast boot mode. Now using volume keys, select the recovery option, recovery mode, and press power key to boot into recovery. Now on the next screen, no command. Here you need to hold the power key and then press the volume up key, and it will boot into recovery. Using the volume keys, highlight the wipe data factory reset, and select it using power key. Now again highlight factory data reset using volume key and select confirm it using power key. Now data wipe is completed, so you can now reboot system using the power button. Your phone is now rebooted. So you have successfully hard reset your Google Pixel 7. Now if Google account was added to this phone before hard resetting, on the next screen it will ask you to verify this account. Otherwise your device will be locked. So if you are having issues with that, then I have made another tutorial. The link will be given in the description. So watch that video to bypass the FRP or Google account. Now you can tap on the get started to set up your phone. You can skip this. You can connect to a Wi-Fi network, but I am choosing the setup offline. Tap on setup offline, continue, next, accept, next. Now you can set up a new pin if you would like to, but I am skipping this. You can set up later as well. Just to save you some time, I am skipping all these. Skip. Now as you can see, your phone is now okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.